Hi and welcome to this course. In this video lesson, I'm going to give you a very quick overview of what you are going to learn in this course. Currently, this course has two major sections. The first section is the current or the latest version of this course. It starts from introduction to Drupal and it goes to the content type section. And everything below that is the older version of this course, and you don't need to watch any of that content. You don't need to watch anything below the content type section. Okay, so this is the older version of this course. I have this section here, old course below, and you don't need to watch anything from this old course below section. All the content below this section is outdated and you don't need to watch any of them. Okay, and everything above this section is the latest version of this course. And now let us go ahead and see what this course contains. So the first section that we have here is called Introduction to Drupal, and in this section you are going to learn about what is Drupal, what is a content management system, and then you will learn about why should you use Drupal and not some other software such as WordPress or Joomla or some other content management system. And once you are done with this introduction to Drupal, you are going to learn how you can set up and install Drupal on your machine. You are going to learn about localhost, and you are going to install a localhost called XAMPP, and then we are going to solve some error, and then you will finally install Drupal on your machine. Then I am going to give you a very quick overview of your Drupal website, and then I will explain all the options available to you in the admin toolbar. Once you are done with this overview of the admin toolbar, we are going to dive deep into the content creation part. Content creation is extremely crucial, and we are going to spend a lot of time into understanding content creation in Drupal. First up, we will start with basic page. We will learn about a basic page, what a basic page is and how you can add a basic page. Then we will learn about what an article is, and then we will understand the conceptual difference between a basic page and an article. And once you are done with that, we are going to understand how you can track all the updates that you are making into your content. So whenever you update a content piece, you are going to understand how you can track all of that update using revisions in Drupal. And then we are going to learn about all the different websites from where you can download your images legally without getting into any copyright trouble. And then we will learn about text formatting. Once you are done with content creation part, we are going to dive deep into user management. In this section, you will learn about how you can create a new user and how you can assign that user different roles and different permission. And then we are going to dive deep into blocks in Drupal. Every single thing in Drupal is a block, and using blocks you can control the entire layout of your website. And in this section we are going to first understand the basics of block, and then you will learn about how you can control your layout using these blocks. And once you are done with controlling the layout, we are going to dive deep into how you can create and edit menus. First up, in this section we will understand what a URL alias is and how you can fix the URL structure of your website. And then you will learn about how you can edit your existing menu, and then we will create a new menu, and then we will display that menu in a particular location in our website. And once you are done with menus, we are going to dive deep into modules. We will first understand what is a module, and then we will learn about a module called Path Auto, which will fix the problem of URL alias for us. And then we are going to understand this contact form module, which we can use to build a contact form. Once you are done with this contact form module, we will learn about what a theme is and how you can change your design, how you can change the entire design of your website in just a couple of clicks using themes. After modules and theme, we are going to dive deep into the content type. This content type section is an extremely crucial section because this section will show you the real power, the real beauty of Drupal. In this section, you will learn about what is a content type and how you can create your own content type. And then we will create our very own custom content type. We will fix how it will be displayed to the user and how it will be displayed to you when you are creating a content of that type. And then I'm going to give you a very amazing assignment, and then I will also show you how you can solve that assignment. This content type section is extremely crucial if you want to harness the power of Drupal. So please pay some extra attention to this content type section, and after that is our old course and you don't need to watch any videos, any lessons from here. Okay, so this is the course as of now. The duration of this course is 4.5 hours, so 4.5 hours, but the latest version of this course is around 3 hours and 9 minutes. But in the future I plan on adding some more sections, some more videos to it. So depending on when you are watching this video, the duration of the latest version of this course will vary. So depending on when you are watching this course might have 10 sections and it might have 4 hours of content. Okay, so just ignore this 4 hour 39 minute, because in this 4 hour 39 minute 1 hour and 30 minute is the old course. So I will be deleting that old course very soon. The best part about this course is that this course belongs to you. So if you have any topic in mind, if you have any suggestion, just let me know and I will make sure that I will explain that topic in the next update of this course. So this course will be constantly updated. I plan on updating this course every 3 months. So if you have any topic in mind, if you want me to teach some new topic, just let me know in the discussion section below and I will do that for you. Alright, so if you have any question in any of the topic that is being taught in this course, just go to the discussion section and just let me know, drop a question and I will answer that question. Alright, so that is it for this quick overview video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.